0 o'clock to 110. Are your creatinine levels a bit high? Or are you just looking for ways to keep your kidneys healthy as you age? If so, you've come to the right place. Many of us think of nuts as a super healthy snack, and they often are. But when it comes to kidney health, not all nuts are created equal. In fact, some healthy nuts can actually put extra strain on your kidneys, especially if your function is already compromised. Today, we're going to clear up all the confusion. I'll reveal the 3 best nuts that are perfectly safe for your kidneys, even to eat daily, and the 3 you absolutely must avoid if you're dealing with high creatinine or kidney issues. We'll also dive into what creatinine actually is and why keeping it in a healthy range is so crucial for your overall well-being. We will cover proper portion sizes and share some fantastic diet tips to help you naturally lower your creatinine and support your kidney function. If you or a loved one has diabetes, high blood pressure, or a history of kidney problems, this video is packed with information you need to know. Let's learn how to eat smart and protect our kidneys for a long, healthy life. 110-230. So what exactly is creatinine and why do doctors pay so much attention to it? Let's break it down simply. Creatinine is a natural waste product that comes from the normal wear and tear on muscles in your body. Every day, your body produces it at a fairly constant rate. The job of your kidneys is to act like a super efficient filtering system, removing this creatinine from your blood and flushing it out of your body through your urine. Now, when your kidneys are working perfectly, they have no problem keeping up. But if they're damaged or not functioning at full capacity, they can't filter the creatinine out effectively. As a result, the level of creatinine in your blood starts to rise. That's why a high creatinine level is often a red flag for doctors. It suggests that your kidneys might be struggling. It's an important marker for kidney function, or what's known as the glomerular filtration rate, GFR. Consistently high levels can indicate chronic kidney disease, which is why managing your diet becomes so incredibly important. The goal is to choose foods that don't overwork your already stressed kidneys, and that brings us to nuts. 2:30, 5 o'clock. Let's get to the good stuff, the top 3 kidney-safe nuts you can enjoy without worry. When we're talking about kidney health, the 2 main minerals we need to watch are potassium and phosphorus. Kidneys that are struggling have a hard time filtering out excess amounts of these minerals. Coming in at number 1 are macadamia nuts. These are a fantastic choice. They are one of the lowest in both potassium and phosphorus compared to other nuts. A 1-ounce serving, which is about 10 to 12 nuts, is a perfectly safe and delicious snack. They're also rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart. Our second kidney-friendly hero is the pecan. Pecans are another excellent low potassium and low phosphorus option. They have a wonderful buttery flavor and are packed with antioxidants. A serving of about 20 pecan halves is a great way to satisfy a craving for something crunchy without putting any strain on your kidneys. They also provide fiber, which is beneficial for overall digestive health. And rounding out our top 3 are walnuts. Now, walnuts are slightly higher in these minerals than macadamias and pecans, but they are still considered a safe choice in moderation. What makes walnuts special is that they are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These fats have anti-inflammatory properties that can actually help protect your kidneys. A sensible portion would be about 7 whole walnuts or 14 halves. Remember, even with these safer nuts, portion control is key. A small handful is all you need to reap the benefits without overdoing it on minerals. 5 o'clock to 7:20. Now, let us talk about the other side of the coin. The 3 nuts you should limit or avoid completely if you have high creatinine or kidney concerns. These nuts are very high in potassium and phosphorus, which can build up in your blood and cause serious problems if your kidneys couldn't filter them out. First on our list to avoid are almonds. This might surprise you because almonds are often hailed as a health food. While they are nutritious, they are unfortunately very high in both potassium and phosphorus. Just a small handful can contribute a significant amount to your daily mineral load, which is exactly what we're trying to prevent. If you absolutely love almonds, you might be able to have a very small amount, like 5 or 6 nuts, but you must be extremely careful, and it's best to consult your doctor or a renal dietitian first. For most people with kidney issues, it's safer to just steer clear. Next up, we have Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are famous for their incredibly high selenium content, which is a powerful antioxidant. But they are also loaded with potassium and phosphorus. A single ounce of Brazil nuts contains a substantial amount of both minerals, making them a risky choice for anyone on a kidney-friendly diet. It's best to skip these entirely and get your selenium from other, safer sources. Finally, the third nut to be cautious with is the pistachio. Those delicious little green nuts are another popular snack, but they are also quite high in potassium and phosphorus. It's very easy to lose track and eat a large amount of pistachios, and that can quickly overload your system. So, while they might be tasty, they are not a friend to compromised kidneys. Swapping these three out for macadamias, pecans, or walnuts is a simple and effective way to protect your kidney health. 7:29 o'clock. Okay, so we know which nuts to eat and which to avoid. But how can we incorporate them into a tasty, kidney-friendly diet? Let's talk about some simple snack tips. First, always choose raw, unsalted nuts. The added salt in roasted and salted varieties can raise your blood pressure and make your kidneys work even harder. If you buy salted nuts, you're adding sodium, which can lead to fluid retention and other complications. Look for packages that say raw and unsalted. Second, as we've mentioned, portion size is everything. Don't just eat straight from the bag. It's too easy to overdo it. Measure out a single serving, about a quarter cup or a small handful, and put the bag away. This helps you stay mindful and keeps your mineral intake in the safe zone. Third, get creative. You don't have to just eat plain nuts. Try chopping up some walnuts or pecans and sprinkling them over a kidney-friendly salad. You can also crush macadamia nuts and use them as a crunchy topping for steamed vegetables like green beans or asparagus, with just a little bit of olive oil and herbs. Another great idea is to mix a small handful of chopped, safe nuts into a bowl of oatmeal made with water, along with some low-potassium fruits like berries or apples. This adds healthy fats, texture, and flavor, making your meals more satisfying while still being kind to your kidneys. 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Beyond just nuts, there are many other delicious foods that can naturally support your kidney health and help manage creatinine levels. It's all about making smart, holistic choices. Focus on incorporating more kidney-friendly fruits and vegetables into your diet. Foods like blueberries, cranberries, red grapes, strawberries, cabbage, cauliflower, and red bell peppers are excellent choices. They are low in potassium and packed with antioxidants and vitamins that help reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys from damage. When it comes to protein, be mindful. High-protein diets can increase the workload on your kidneys. Opt for high-quality, lean protein in moderate amounts. Good sources include fish, skinless chicken, and egg whites. Reducing red meat intake can also be beneficial, as it can be harder for your body to process. Hydration is also critical. Drinking enough water helps your kidneys flush out creatinine and other waste products more effectively. However, if you have advanced kidney disease, your doctor might recommend restricting your fluid intake, so always follow their specific advice. Finally, managing underlying conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes is one of the most important things you can do. These are the two leading causes of kidney disease. By controlling your blood sugar and blood pressure through diet, exercise, and medication as prescribed, you are actively protecting your kidneys for the long term. 10 o'clock end. So there you have it. A simple guide to enjoying nuts safely while protecting your precious kidneys. Remember, macadamia nuts, pecans, and walnuts are your best friends, while almonds, Brazil nuts, and pistachios are best avoided, or severely limited if you have high creatinine. Making these small, informed changes to your diet can make a huge difference in your long-term health and well-being. It's all about empowering yourself with knowledge and making smart choices every day. Always remember to discuss any major dietary changes with your doctor or a registered dietitian, especially if you have an existing health condition. They can help you create a personalized plan that's perfect for you. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information helpful and practical. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more senior health tips to help you live a healthier, happier life. We'll see you in the next video.